Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Brittany. So in today's video, I have 5 homes to show you, all in the parish of St. Catherine. And don't worry, they're not all in Spanish Town. Alright, so they're all in the parish of St. Catherine, different parts of St. Catherine, and they're all under $18 million. The prices actually run from 12.5 million up to 8 million. And guys, guess what? We have a 5-bedroom house in the mix. So if you're interested in seeing these homes, keep on watching. All right, so let's look at this first home here. It's going for 14.5 million Jamaican dollars, and it's located on Carlisle Crescent in the Greater Portmore area. Now, guys, this one is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and it sits on a lot size of 1,253 square feet. So this one here is a little bit of a fixer-upper, all right, but it's not in too bad of a condition. It has a mixture of ceramic and terrazzo tiling. So I know I get so many requests for Portmore homes, so I was glad to bring this one to you guys at an affordable price. It's coming in at 14.5 million Jamaican dollars. So this one also has a porch, a single car garage, and it's a spacious enough. Let's look at this bedroom. It's not bad. Space wise, it's not bad. The bedrooms don't seem too bad. So you're going to reach out to Ariel, your realtor Ariel, for this one. I'll put his information on the screen. All right, he's on Instagram at your realtor Ariel, and I'll put his name and his contact information on the screen if you're interested. So that's the person you reach out to. All other homes that I'll show in this video, I'll put the information in the description box, as well as Ariel's information. But those other realtors, their information will be linked down below. All right, so this one here, Greater Portmore, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. I've never quite seen these windows being used here in the kitchen area. But hey, I guess it's innovation, and of course you can change that out. Of course, I would. So there you have it. This one here in Greater Portmore. All right, so the next home I have to show you guys is this one located in Fairview Park, Spanish Town, and it's going for 12.5 million Jamaican dollars. Now, this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom property that sits on a 3,817 square foot lot. Now, Fairview Park is a good community in close proximity to Spanish Town, town capital, and the town center. So this one is really nice for, probably a first-time homeowner, a small family as well. Would be a really good fit for this home, you guys. Now, what's really good about this home is that the lot size offers you a lot of opportunity to expand and, to build on the house and go even further, make it even bigger, add on additional rooms, as maybe your family continues to grow and so forth. And, with additional rooms being added on, if you're ready to resell this home, the property value would have gone up. So I really like this one. Seems like a really nice and cozy home in a good area. Now, remember guys, if you're interested in this home, the link to reach out to the realtor will be in the description box down below. So look at the backyard and the yard space here. You have some really fully developed fruit trees in the yard, which is really good too. And you have a nice yard space around the back. Good area for some backyard farming, not large farming, gardening, let's call it that, backyard gardening and so forth. So really nice in Fairview Park, Spanish Town. Do you have a growing family? Are you looking for a home in the Portmore area? Well, here's one for 18 million Jamaican dollars located in the Gregory Park area of Portmore, St. Catherine. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property that sits on a lot size of 950 square feet. So as you can see in the living room area, you do have an AC unit and also ceiling fans, which you'll see some more throughout the property. I get so many requests for Portmore homes, so I'm glad to be able to show you guys this one, which would be good for a family. And the requests I get for Portmore as well is always family oriented persons with kids and looking for somewhere in Portmore, ready to move in, ready to go. So as you can see in the bathroom here, you do have this medicine cabinet set up here with the, seems like a granite countertop, right? And then this is just an area of one of the bedrooms, I believe. And then this is another view of the living room. Now with the Portmore homes, you know, the bedrooms tend to be a little bit smaller. So that's what you're going to get in this area. Smaller bedroom, but still, you know, it has quite adequate closet space, which is good because you have a smaller bedroom, but if storage is not a problem, then that should be fine. So as long as the bedrooms, you know, have adequate area for storage, it shouldn't be that bad, right? So Portmore, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. If you're interested, the realtor's information will be linked in the description box down below. Alright, so this next one I have for you is going for 15 million Jamaican dollars, and it's located on Claudette Drive, which is just off Old Harbour Road in Spanish Town. Now guys, this one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property, and it sits on quite a spacious lot size. The lot size is 4,890 square feet. So as you can see, this one is fully walled. It has its gate, and look at this living area. Yeah, pretty decently spaced, you know, spacious enough and open enough. All right, so this one will be really great for a small family. All right, and this house definitely needs some work. All right, this one is in need of some work and renovations for sure. Definitely with the tiling, you know, countertop, cabinetry, different areas need some work, right? It needs a nice facelift, but at this price it's pretty good, right? So if you are interested, remember the links will be in the description box down below. All right, so in the Spanish Town area, just off Old Harbour Road, and you know, along Old Harbour Road you have also the different housing schemes, other housing schemes and communities and schools, amenities, plaza, shopping areas, everything that you would need for, you know, a small family, a growing family. So this one is really good too. And as you take a look into your backyard and side yard area, you do have space, you know, room for expansion. You have areas where you can do some backyard gardening. So it's not bad. The house just needs some love. All right, it needs someone who's going to come in with a nice vision, with a nice goal, and just do some fixing up and get it back to a nice state. So this one here, just off Old Harbour Road in Spanish Town. Click the link in the description box if you're interested. Now remember guys, I promised to show you quite a few homes in different areas of St. Catherine. So here's the last one. This one is listed for 17 million Jamaican dollars and it's located on Dolphin Way in Old Harbour. Now this is a 5-bedroom 3-bathroom property, and it sits on a lot size of 5,812 square feet. So as you can see, guys, this one is a 2-story house, and this would be great for a larger family. All right, so all the people that will message me and say them have 3 kids or 4 kids and they're looking for a house, here is one in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. I hope it fits, it's to your liking. As you can see, you're gonna need just a little bit updates. Some updates need to be done, but it's somewhere to start and work with. The living room doesn't seem to be in too bad for condition. You have some ceramic tiles here, and it's nice. It's nice. It's okay. All right, so I just need some love and just some revamping, and it's not so bad, not bad of an house at all, not bad at all. All right, you guys, so with these homes, remember to just eliminate the furniture out of your decision making and your viewpoint and how you're thinking about and perceiving the house, right? Because all of that will be out. These small little cosmetic changes, countertop, them little thing there, you can just try to take it away when you're thinking about the house, and just try to get a vision and potential for the house. All right, so not bad here in Old Harbour area. And the Old Harbour area, similar to like Spanish Town, it's not too bad of a drive into Kingston. So if you work in the Kingston area, this one could work as well for you. So for the persons with a nice family, searching for a really nice family home in a good area, here's one in Old Harbour. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell before you go, please. It really helps out the channel. Don't forget to share this video with someone who is searching for a home. Follow me on all socials at Safe Haven, and that's on TikTok and Instagram at Safe Haven. Thank you guys so much for always watching. Remember, the link will be in the description box below, and the description box is that area right below the title of the video. So thank you guys, thank you, and until my next video, you guys, bye.